Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money on X or Twitter. So you can make money on the social media Twitter, besides on YouTube, Facebook, and so on. So Twitter also can fill your bank. So how you can do it? Just tap on your profile picture and tap on setting and privacy. You can scroll down and this one, monetizations. See how you can make money on X and manage your monetization option here. You can tap it. So there are there are some available programs. Eligible creators can sign up for monthly subscription and ads revenue sharing here. So for example, the first one, subscription, you can get verified here. Unfortunately, you don't meet our eligibility requirement for subscription at this time because of you have to you had to get you had to a 500 followers and get verified here. You can click on get verified, and here ads revenue. Unfortunately, you're not yet eligible because of subscribe to premium or verified organization, and you have at least 5 million impressions on your post within the last 3 months and 500 followers. So the point is you have to active on Twitter. You have to post something. You have to create a thread so you can benefit some people, some users, or benefit the community to eligible as a to enjoy the monetization program on Twitter. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.